Indexation is a financial mechanism that adjusts payments, taxes, or investments to keep pace with the rising cost of living. At its simplest, indexation is about maintaining your purchasing power by linking a dollar amount to an official price index. If inflation averages 3%, your money loses buying power every year unless it is indexed to that rate of change. The government and financial institutions use indexation to ensure that tax brackets, benefits, and savings limits don't become outdated as the economy grows. An indexed asset moves in tandem with the economy, whereas a fixed asset stays stagnant, often resulting in a loss of real-world value. This chart shows how a fixed amount of cash shrinks in real terms compared to an indexed value that tracks inflation. Think of it as a built-in safety feature that helps your financial life stay synchronized with the broader economy. Thanks for watching. Understanding these core concepts helps you make smarter decisions about your money. Subscribe for more finance basics.